Hello everybody, and today we're going to be checking out Engine 25. And here it is, everybody. It's right here. And right here is the back of the cab. We put all the stuff and tools over here in the back. Over here is the captain's seat. And this is where he sits. Right here's the front for our car fires. These are for car fires, houses. Right here, the driver's seat right here, the operators. Right here, it's the other side of the cab. Over here, we got an X in here too, tools. And right here is a staff member pumper. Right here. This whole cover on this whole black, this whole thing this is the whole tank part of, and it got water in it. And these are these clocks for it right here. And these things, this will like, you turn this and this will maybe higher the pressure to go up. And here go our other hoses right here. And over here, there's nothing in here. Over here is equipment in this part of the truck, and this impel pierce. Right here, we got more air tanks in here. We got two. Over here. Right here. We got more equipment in this part over here. And here too, we got a doorknob and we got an X. We got pipe tools in this part too. Right here is where we get fuel from the back. Over here is the sand buckets, where we can use this for car accidents. Like if a car crashes and gasoline is falling out there, like gasoline is falling out the engine part, we'll spill the sand all over it. So he'll spill the sand all over it. Over here, see on the back right here. And we got a light right there. And we got a frame in the back over here. And right here is the RD traffic secondary light over here. These are our traffic lights. Over here, we got our hoses sticking up to all the way up there. And this is where you climb up to the truck. We got a lot of stuff on this truck over here. Right here. Over here we got a ladder, we got a pipe pulls, we got stretchers. Right here is our booster, right here. Over here, booster. On this side. On this side, we got bunker gear in here. We got other stuff in this part. Right here, we got more air tanks in this part over here. We got two in here again. Over here, we got X. We got a pipe pull. We got a sledgehammer. We got a lot of stuff up there too. Over here, we got more stuff in here for the truck over here. You might hook this up to this part. And right here is hoses on this part over here. This is where we use for the other part of the truck. And over here, this is the other side of the pump. They got water in each tank, that part. Right here, we got more discharges over here where we can stick hoses on, connect the hoses to this. Right here, we got a control. Right here, this is the inside part of the truck. And we got everything on the truck that needs to be needed on it. Pierce, yeah. And you guys want me to climb up, I'll climb up for you. Right here is the top of the truck where we have more hoses, and we got a light over here, and we got right here is the pumper stang where this thing goes up, it can spray up. This is for building fires, house fires, and even other fires. And we got a lot of stuff up here. We got a ladder up here. Alright, we got more hoses right here. And I think that's about it. Thank you guys for enjoying this video. Hope you guys enjoy. And subscribers, views, likes. And if you guys want to see some more of checking out Impel 25, you guys want to see any more of Engine 25, just tell me. I can catch this truck again if you wanted me to. I catch this truck maybe like a couple of times. Well, I'm my first time catching Ladder 7, so this is right here, Impel Pierce, Engine 25.